The Wheelie Camaro lives again.
Yeah.
Oh, she coming around on you. No. Whoops. Sorry about that, folks. I don't know what that was, but it's not needed. Oh yeah?
Yep, we got it painted yesterday and he got it back over there. Have you been over there yet or no?
Doesn't even look like the same car. Got an update on the Wheelie Camaro. It's been a long time since we've done an update on this, but it's mainly because we're not the ones working on it. We're actually having it restored by a shop. So the original shop that's doing it did a fantastic job, but unfortunately they got so busy with collision work, and the guy that was working on it can't work on it anymore. So we actually have it at a Camaro expert shop, and that's where we're taking all these parts today. So a lot of the parts that were original off the car, this ugly orange color. So we're just taking, you know, everything that we got, so go through, sort it, figure out what we need, don't need. But most of the panels have been replaced, like the doors are being replaced. There's one of the new doors right there. Got the brand new hood back there, all kinds of miscellaneous cowling pieces. It's getting a whole new interior, so I doubt we're going to be using much any of those. Probably made the seat frames, but that's about it. The problem is you spend so much money and labor fixing rust holes like this, and it still has a chance of coming back, versus just buying a brand new panel such as that. It's kind of what we've been doing. Like, here's the front fenders for the car. I mean, this stuff's just eaten alive. Because the problem is, the car sat sunk into the dirt for so many years, just uncared for. So right now we're just deciding if we're even going to use this front piece. We're talking about maybe doing the RS bumper where it's got the 2 headlights per side. We think that'd be pretty neat. We know we are going to go with the split bumper because those look pretty neat as well. Just more miscellaneous parts just stacked everywhere. All kinds of stuff. So hopefully the shop will let us take a little bit of video of the car where it sits and show you an update of what it actually looks like.
So many, and I wanted to try to kind of hide it down in there.
Yeah.
Couldn't, so we had to. The one thing I'm going to do though is on the hoses.
Yep.
I'm going to run them down and hide them. Because the factory, they would always run them across here, and
right.
It just looked kind of crappy.
Yeah.
So we'll run that down.
Yeah. Sounds good. No, that'll be good.
Use some AC anyway.
Yeah.
Well, if we decided, you know, so I think that's good. So what I brought you today is everything I have done.
Off, the hood will be off, and usually think that later or next or after that. You're doing a solid color, so that makes it a little bit easier. You get metallics, I like to have them all in there at the same time because different temperatures and pressures, and if you're off, and you know.
Yeah, and then I do want to do the twin black stripes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then decal, or you want that painted? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, is that just the deck lid in the hood?
I'll have to get you
I don't-
pictures.
Okay, I don't know. I don't think it goes over the roof.